One-Minute Burger Blitz, your express ticket to hamburger heaven. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today, we will be sharing the One-Minute Burger Blitz, your express ticket to hamburger heaven. Ever craved a juicy, mouth-watering hamburger but felt short on time? Fear not, fellow foodies. We're diving headfirst into the ultimate cooking class, crafting a ridiculously delicious burger in just 60 seconds. Get ready for a fun, fast-paced tutorial that'll transform your burger game forever. Life's busy, right? Sometimes, that burger craving hits hard, and waiting isn't an option. This isn't about perfection. It's about satisfying that hunger now with a tasty, quick fix. Whether you're a home cook, a barbecue enthusiast, or a complete beginner, this tutorial is designed to equip you with the skills to conquer the one-minute burger challenge. Our express burger journey requires a few key components. The Star Patty, a pre-made high-quality beef patty, or your favorite alternative, veggie burgers welcome. Opt for a patty that's already seasoned or ready to be seasoned. The Bun Throne, a soft pre-sliced bun. Sesame seeds? Brioche? The choice is yours. The Heat Inferno, a screaming hot pan or grill. We need intense heat for that perfect sear. The Flavor Duo, salt and pepper, the foundation of all great burger experiences. The Assembly Line, efficient layering. Every second counts. Before we dive into the action, tell me, what's your cooking setup? Stovetop? Grill? Let's tailor this tutorial to your arsenal. And while we're at it, what are your go-to burger toppings? Ketchup? Mustard? Pickles? Onions? Let's get those flavor bombs ready. Alright, let's assume you're rocking a stovetop. Here's the plan for our one-minute burger blitz. Preheat power, 5 seconds. Place a skillet over high heat. Crank it up. You want that pan scorching hot. Add a teaspoon of high smoke point oil, canola or avocado, for extra sizzle. Smash and amp. Sear 30 seconds. Season your pre-made patty generously with salt and pepper. Unleash your inner chef. Place the patty in the hot pan and smash it down with a spatula. This creates maximum contact for a glorious sear. Let it sizzle undisturbed for a full 30 seconds. The aroma alone will make your mouth water. Flip and amp. Finish 20 seconds. Flip that patty like a pro. If you're a cheese lover, now's the time to add it. Let it melt and get gooey for another 20 seconds. Remember, we're aiming for hot and seared, not necessarily fully cooked. Assemble and amp. Devour 5 seconds. Quickly place the patty on the bottom buns. Add your fastest toppings, ketchup, mustard, a pickle slice, whatever you can grab in a flash. Top with the other bun. Boom! Burger bliss in 60 seconds. Want to shave off even more time and elevate your one-minute burger game? Here are some insider secrets. Patty perfection. The quality of your pre-made patty is paramount. Look for 80/20 ground beef for optimal flavor and moisture. Experiment with different brands to find your favorite. Doneness dilemma. This method yields a rare burger. If you prefer it more well done, you'll need to extend the cooking time. But hey, sometimes a little pink is part of the fun. Topping tactics. Pre-prep your toppings. No time for slicing and dicing. Think condiments, pre-cut pickles, and anything you can grab and go. Bun boost. If you have an extra 30 seconds, lightly toast the bun halves in the same pan after cooking the burger. This adds a delightful crunch and elevates the entire experience. Trust me, it's worth it. If you're firing up the grill, the process is similar. Just make sure your grill is screaming hot before you start. The smoky flavor will add an extra layer of deliciousness to your one-minute masterpiece. Remember, safety is always a priority. Use caution when working with hot pans and grills, and always ensure your burger reaches a safe internal temperature if you prefer it more well done. So there you have it, your express ticket to hamburger heaven. Now go forth, experiment, and create your own signature one-minute burger. Don't be afraid to get creative with toppings and seasonings. The possibilities are endless. Ready to conquer the one-minute burger challenge? Here's what to do. Try it out! Follow the steps in this tutorial and create your own one-minute burger masterpiece. Share your creations. Post a photo of your burger on social media using #OneMinuteBurger and tag us. We want to see your culinary genius. Subscribe for more. Stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, cooking tips, and burger adventures. Leave a comment. Let us know what toppings you used and how your one-minute burger turned out. Happy cooking, burger lovers! Let's get sizzling!